Hi guys, in this video I will share you how you can change your keypad setting, how you can set your keyboard setting of your new phone Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. If you are new on my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel first, and please press the bell icon. So in this way you will get the notification of all my upcoming videos. So guys, I just bought this Y7 Prime 2019 few hours ago. So I make an unboxing videos you can see on my channel, but in this video I will guide you how you can set keyboard vibrations and all keypad settings. In this video I will lot of friends have problem to how they can disable the keypad vibration when we type any message or anything. So the keypad vibration is so much annoying for all the users and customers. So this is some tricky method to disable that setting. So in this video I am going to show you how you can disable the keyboard vibrations and all other keypad settings. So guys, let's start the video. Hi guys, in the start you have to go to the setting. You can go to the setting in the front display, and this is the second option, setting. This is the second option. You can go to setting from here, or from top menu you can also go to setting from clicking on this setting button. So after moving to the setting button, so you have to go in the systems. Normally in Samsung and other phones you have to go in the display, and after that there will be a keyboard setting. But in this Huawei phones you should go on the system. At the last option is the system, so you just have to enter the system. After that, right now we are going to change the keyboard or keypad setting of Huawei. So we have to click the fourth option, language and input. So this is the way we can enter our text, our languages. So you have to click the fourth option, language and input. So as in my previous videos I told you that most of Huawei phones, you can say nowadays all the Huawei phones, 95 to 99% phones are using Swift keyboard. So in this display you have to click the Swift keyboard because you are using Huawei latest phone. So I am damn sure there will be Swift keyboard in that phone. So you have to click the Swift keyboard, and this is the fifth or sixth option. So you have to click on Swift keyboard. So after that, when you will enter in that specific area, so you can see there are too much options. The first option is theme option. You can change the theme. Top right option is the theme. You can change the theme of your keyboard. And the second option is languages option. The third option is typing option, and the fourth one is account. So you can select as much as you want. So right now first I am going to teach you how you can disable your keyboard vibration. So I have to go in the typing section. I will press on the typing. Now you can see there are different settings like resizes, keys, typing and autocorrect, voice and physical keyboard, clipboard, sounds and vibration. So you can do all the setting according to your own choice. So right now I want to, as I told you, I want to disable the keyboard vibration. So I have to go in the sound and vibration section. So right now I am in sound and vibration section. So I need to off the Android default vibration. So in this way, when I will uncheck this, I will off the keyboard vibration. So after that I will see, even you can see that there will be no, yes, it is verified that there is no keyboard vibrations right now. It is so much annoying situation. So if you are watching the summary how you can change your settings, so in the setting section you have to go to the system. After that in the language and input, then Swift keyboard. After that typing, and then some of my subscribers said they have issue in autocorrect and dictionary. You can do all the settings as much as you want. So in the typing and autocorrect you can see there are a lot of options. This auto capitalizing, autocorrect, quick prediction insert. This is totally depend on you which type of setting you want and how you want to change this. And this is the keys options, key setting here as well, the speed, the voice and physical keyboard, and the sizes of keyboard. So this is the keyboard, this is the Swift keyboard which is by default installed in your Huawei phone. This is the Swift keyboard, so you have to do and you have to change all the setting by pressing by entering in the Swift keyboard. So guys, hope so this is my keypad vibrations and keyboard setting related video. So hope so you like this video, and if you like my video, please press the like button below the video, and you can ask any questions in comments. And if you did not subscribe my channel yet, so you should subscribe my channel, and you have to press the bell icon, so in this way you will get all the notifications for all my new videos on my channel. So guys, thanks for watching.